Steve-O's, for this edition of New Food You Should Try at the Calgary Stampede, everyone's looking for that tasty deep-fried treat, and I think you have one of the most popular ones this year, the Kit Kat fries. Steve, tell us what you have.
Kit Kat fries, basically it's a Kit Kat bar. We break up, we batter, we deep fry. Looks like yummy, delicious Kit Kat fries.
How did you come up with this idea?
Spent some time on holidays winter, and we were just trying to come up with some new idea for the Stampede. Every year we want to get something going. Before that we did the deep fried tequila shots, now we're doing the Kit Kat fries. And we just know the Canadians love their Kit Kats, so why not deep fry them?
We sure do. And are you noticing everyone's just drawn because it's the Kit Kat? Like you said, Canadians love our Kit Kats.
It's been a good response for sure. Pretty crazy.
Well, thanks for letting us stop by. Can't wait to try them.
Thank you. Enjoy.